What's up, you guys? Danger Rock here. I'm at American Family Services in Easton, and today I found something really cool. I didn't even know they made these. It's a giant alien plush from Toy Story. I got a really good deal on him, and when I saw this, I was like, I didn't even know they made aliens that are this big, but this will look really cool with my alien army. And I think would look really cool is if they had like a giant plush claw machine to go with them. But he looks really cool. So he is all completely stuffed, and I have to say he has really good detail. You can see his Pizza Planet symbol and everything. So yeah, that was today's thrift find, and this was American Family Services in Easton.